What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. A little bit of exciting news for those of you that love the Tesla referral program as a referrer and a referee. So they yet again revamped the program. It just went live a short time ago, and now it has changed that regardless of the model, an S, 3, X, or Y, the referrer gets $500 in terms of a gift card for the Tesla store that can be used for a number of different things, including merchandise, service credit, and even upgrades for the vehicle. And this is the best way to save an additional $1,000 off your car. And yes, the new Model 3, even the Performance Model 3, is eligible to be used with a referral code. We'll throw ours up down below. We greatly appreciate if you use it. It helps us out immensely. Thank you guys again. So, as I said, this program just went live. It is in the app if you're looking to refer. All you need to do is actually click on that banner that should pop up, or now go to the Refer and Earn tab in that hamburger menu. You do need the latest version of the Tesla app for that. So if you're looking to refer, you can actually text whoever you want the code directly from this menu, or simply copy and paste your refer code and you can get it done that way. Like I said, the more exciting aspect is the person using your code. It can only be used 10 times. It doesn't say if that's annually or overall, so keep that in mind. That is still up for debate. We need to do a little bit more digging for that. But for the first 10 people that use our code, you will be saving $1,000 on any Tesla model, basically aside from the Cybertruck. So I'll throw that code up down below. I really just wanted to give you guys a heads up. This program has went through a ton of iterations at this point. There was a recent one just a couple of months ago before they paused the program, where you can expedite your Cybertruck delivery, use your points for merchandise and upgrades. The main change here now is a flat $500 amount USD that you can use on really Tesla service if you want to as well, which should come in handy. I'm very curious to see, as these credits start accumulating, as people begin to start posting, exactly what you will specifically be able to use as far as merchandise. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think about this new referral program? I like it. I always think Teslas sell the best via word of mouth. There's always this old saying that say butts in seats. That sells Teslas. It's true. We have referred a number of you guys, probably a lot of followers on here as well, so we hope you're enjoying your vehicle. Definitely stay tuned, thumbs up this video, and we look forward to doing some more referral updates down the line. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.